Oh, it's a little top hat. That's cool.
This is the intro to Pim's Daily Vlogs. Pim's Daily Leaps. Enjoy.
No one will steal this stand. It's locked. Now that we've finished with Walmart, it's time to cart away into the sunset. My car has a backstash. Yeah, so vanilla root beer. Go back. I wonder what they have in seltzer. Just seltzer.
Fanta Zero, Fanta. Hazel, strawberry, raspberry, fruit punch.
We can get out of the way for people now. Look at the one just sleeping on his back. He's so cute. Oh my gosh. They're so cute. Demonstrating the new version of the wheel. The sleep runner. He looks like he's asleep. Oh, look it, guys. They're friends. Or maybe not. The one on the bottom is a little bit like, get off! Get off!
And this is the end.